Hello everyone, this is Matthew. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, 2025, and this is our daily recap of the E-micro Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures. It's been a news-heavy day. At 8:30 a.m., we had the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, and later at 12:10 p.m., FOMC member Raphael Bostic spoke, followed by Fed Governor Christopher Waller at 1 p.m. Let's take a closer look at how our swing robot navigated the action, capturing about $500 profit, trading one contract each of the Nasdaq and E-micro S&P 500 futures. Overnight session, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4 p.m. October 14th, our system started with a short position. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., Nasdaq futures climbed steadily on upbeat Asian sentiment. Our short was stopped out. Our robot flipped long. Minutes later, the market reversed lower. Our long position was closed, and a new short entered. By around 7 p.m., short side gained traction as tech sentiment cooled. This back and forth showed traders waiting for Fed clarity later in the week. Pre-market 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. At 8:30 a.m., the Empire State Index hit the wires, stronger than expected, and futures spiked upward. Our short was stopped out. Our robot switched long immediately as buying surged. Apple and Nvidia led pre-market strength, lifting Nasdaq futures sharply. Opening hour 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. At 9:30 a.m., when the U.S. market opened, Nasdaq futures popped higher. Our long closed with a profit. Early gain locked in. Then volatility returned. Our robot began scalping rapidly. Quick trades as price chopped near 24,900. Morning momentum faded into midday, setting up for the Fed speeches. Midday Fed reaction 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic began speaking. Tone was cautious. Market dropped sharply. Our robot entered short on Nasdaq futures. At 1 p.m., Fed Governor Waller spoke, echoed the same higher for longer message. Sell-off deepened. Our short showed $200 unrealized profit, and a Tesla short added $700 profit intraday. Afternoon session 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. By 1:30 p.m., short sellers took profits. Market flipped higher. We shifted focus to E-micro S&P 500 futures for cleaner trend. Robot entered long into the bounce. Between 2 and 3:30 p.m., S&P 500 hovered near 6,711. Tight range, low volume. Our long carried $130 unrealized profit. At the close, Micro S&P 500 finished around 6,685. Wrap up. After the close, here's the scorecard. Nasdaq futures profited $380. S&P 500 futures gained $130. Total gain $510 trading just one contract. A day defined by macro headlines, Fed-driven swings, and algorithmic precision. That's our October 15th, 2025 futures recap. Markets reacted strongly to the Fed's tone, but the afternoon rebound kept the soft landing story alive into Q4. Thanks for watching. Trade smart. Stay disciplined. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.